Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this American macaroni salad. Perfect for this 4th of July weekend coming up, or as far as that goes, it's perfect for any day of the year. You're going to need 2 cups of dried macaroni pasta. I'm using the whole wheat pasta here, but you can use whichever you like. And if you don't have dried macaroni pasta on hand, use whichever dried pasta you've got. 1/2 cup of chopped red bell pepper. If you want to use green bell pepper or yellow bell pepper, you may. And if you want to substitute this for dried tomatoes, pimientos, or regular tomatoes, you may. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro that I have right here. You can substitute this with flat leaf parsley. This fresh herb will make all the difference in this macaroni salad. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly black cracked pepper. 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of any kind of mustard you have. You can use the classic mustard, Dijon mustard, but any mustard you like. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of finely chopped celery, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, it's optional, and we're going to need 1/3 cup of chopped red onions. And I'm going to show you later the secret in making this red onion nice, sweet, and delicious in this macaroni salad. First, let's start with boiling the pasta. Boil according to the back of your pasta box. Woo! And that's getting hot. This is going to take about 6 minutes to cook. Meanwhile, back with that red onion, we're just going to slice it in half, remove the ends, and the outside layer. It'll come right off. To dice it, we're going to make little half moon shapes. Just be very careful when you're working with a knife. We're looking for about 1/3 cup of this red onion. We got our 1/3 cup of chopped red onions that we're going to add to ice cold water. We're going to let this soak until we're ready to add it to our pasta. With that red bell pepper, we're just going to slice it down the end. If you want, you can remove the white rib on the inside, not necessary. And we're going to make nice little slices to where they're visible in your salad. And then we're looking for 1/2 cup of our diced red bell pepper. That shape and size looks absolutely perfect. Drain your water in a colander. Give it a lovely rinse so you can rinse off all that starch. Give your pasta a shake to make sure you drain all the water off. Let them cool. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add all the mayonnaise. I love using these little baby spatulas because it gets it all out of the bowl. You don't want to leave any of that deliciousness behind. Add the sour cream. I just use that same little spatula. Add that Dijon mustard or any kind of mustard you want to use. If you want to use hot and spicy, go ahead. If you just want to use that regular classic mustard, you can do that too. Add the salt, the pepper, and that apple cider vinegar. With the whisk, we're going to incorporate these ingredients well until they're blended nice and smooth. And looking like this, that's exactly the texture you want. Back with those red onions, we're going to strain them, and you may think, oh my gosh, I'm just going to add those onions in my salad without going through this big hassle. But I'm here to tell you, this is the secret that's going to make this salad lovely, sweet, and irresistible. Well worth this extra step. I'm going to add my cilantro or parsley, whichever one you're going to use. I'm going to blend it in here with my mayonnaise mixture. I think it'll distribute a little bit more equally throughout our pasta salad here. Here comes the fun part. Add all your elbow pasta with those red onions that are going to be lovely and sweet. By soaking them in that cold water, it's going to remove all the bitterness. Those fabulous red bell peppers and that celery. Look how beautiful those colors are. And it smells so yummy. Fold in our mayonnaise mixture, and with our pasta and vegetables until it's well coated. This is a big hit at any 4th of July gathering, or for any dinner you're having, or just for a snack for a little energy to get up and go. The best part about this salad is you can make it the night before and let it sit in the refrigerator, and all these flavors are going to marry with the red bell peppers and the celeries and the onions, and it's going to be absolutely magnificent. Cover and chill in the refrigerator up to 3 hours or overnight. I've had this sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. I'm just going to dig in, give it a taste, and tell you what it's like. I want some of that red bell pepper. I'm just doing this informally. I'm not going to double dip, but here goes. We'll try it. Ooh, the crunch of the celery and the flavor of the celery and the red bell pepper. And the cilantro gives it this fantastic freshness of flavor, and those sweet red onions will never disappoint when you give them a lovely little soaking before adding them to any salad. I love those pasta noodles for this American macaroni salad. It will definitely be a 4th of July hit, or for any day of the week. Wishing you a happy and safe 4th of July. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food video. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.